Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be showing you two different medium, which is acrylic and oil paint. I will recommend these paints for beginners since these paints are very cheap with good quality, suitable for beginners. This acrylic paint, 6 different colors and 25 ml each small bottles, bright colors, resisting yellowing, smooth. This brand is Yipinxuan, made in China. And for me, this acrylic paints is really best for beginners since I already said that it's very cheap, comes with small palette and sticks for picking up different shades of colors, and comes up with its brush. You see, it's very nice. It's like one whole packages, very nice and good for beginners. Oh, that's all for this acrylic paint. So let's go to oil color. Okay, this oil color comes with 12 different colors. Wait, I'm gonna open this for so you can see. Okay, here it is. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it has ivory black, burnt umber, cobalt violet, cerulean blue, blue turquoise, English light, green, burnt sienna, alizarin crimson, primary lemon, yellow, yellow ochre, primary red cadmium, and Chinese white. Chinese white because it is made in China, so obviously. And comes up with round brush. Oh, I really like this paint because it has free brushes, so it's kind of great package. So this oil paint, um I really enjoy to use this paint since it has a good quality, really best for beginners. So it has bright colors, resist yellowing, smooth. But don't forget also to buy linseed oils. Linseed oil. It is one of the most important medium that you have to use when you use oil paint, to thin the paint and for blending the color. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Please help my channel grow, and thank you very much for your support. And that's all, guys. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.